So the new version of Bluestacks has just arrived, and now it's a lot better than before. Bluestacks 4 takes your gameplay to the next level. It's 6 times faster than a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and 8 times faster than its predecessor. Yet it has less CPU and memory usage. And currently it is the second largest gaming platform in PC with over 300 million players. So in this video, I will show you the new features and how to install Bluestacks 4. Now to update or install Bluestacks, just click on the link down below. Once you've downloaded it, open the file and follow the instructions to install it. Once it's done installing, enter your Google account details. This will be required to access the Play Store. And after that, Bluestacks will load. And right off the bat, you will notice that the UI has been changed. It has been a lot cleaner and minimal now, which I personally find it nice. And while Bluestacks 3 was based on Android KitKat 4.4.3, Bluestacks 4 is based on Android Nougat 7.1.2. Now coming to the other features, you'll also find the Bluestacks Store where you can buy cool products like skins for the app player, new mouse, gaming chair, keyboards, etc. And the amazing thing is you can buy these products either with real money or in the in-game currency which you can earn by playing games and leveling up. And the key mapping has also been improved with the new game controls window. Now they're divided into categories for better navigation. You can also choose to play with the default controls, but if you don't find it easy, just remap it to the button of your liking. Now coming to the games, they have added X-Packs for more popular games. What X-Packs does is it enhances your performance of the game and makes the controls easier. I installed PUBG from the Play Store and started playing. Immediately you will find that the controls are a lot smoother, the graphics are also better and everything feels smoother than before. And then comes the main highlight, the shooting mode. This makes it a lot easier to shoot, and in turn it improves your gameplay a lot. Now in Bluestacks 4, you can also switch between apps, and your game will still be running in the background. And you can also use multiple instances to play games simultaneously. And you can also log in the instance with the same account or a different one. And I think that this is the feature I will be using most of. All in all, the new update has brought many requested and important features. And the player performs amazingly well and can handle anything you throw at it. So I think Bluestacks 4 has lived up to its promise and has been an amazing app player.